Behind me stands the Burj Khalifa, the world's largest tower. And it's not just a tower, it's more than that. It's a symbol of what humanity can do when we dare to dream big. But before this tower stood and was the tallest, in ancient times, there was one that was much taller that has long since collapsed. According to numerous ancient texts and religious documents, long before today, humanity all lived in one place and all spoke the same language. And their heads got big, they began to dream, and they built a tower all the way up to the sky so they could be like the gods and reach the heavens. In the book of Genesis, it's known as the Tower of Babel. But the gods didn't like how arrogant humanity got. They came down and split humans up, put them in different places, and mixed up the languages so they could no longer cooperate. And humanity didn't just lose its tower to the skies, they also lost their ability to understand each other. But ever since Babel, we haven't had a way to communicate with each other. It's led to mistrust, it's led to division, it's led to wars, and it's led to the human species not even coming close to its full potential. But today, things are different. Not only do we have the internet, which can give us instant connection with anybody at any time all across the planet, but we also have the international language. English changes the whole game. You see, the truth is, we're all unique. We're all special. No two people share the exact same DNA. We all have unique things to contribute to the planet. And when we can come together and communicate with each other using one language to understand one another, the possibilities are absolutely endless. Take this tower behind me as an example. The visionaries were the Arab sheiks who had a grand vision for the tallest tower in the world, and a lot of people laughed at them. But they used English, and they got together with American architects who drew the vision for the building. And they got together with Southeast Asian construction workers who got on cranes and actually got all the way up there and put that thing together. We have three groups of totally different people, totally different cultures, who used a common language to build something that was before thought to be impossible. We're helping humanity move toward a new age of understanding, cooperation, and unlimited opportunities, where every individual gets to contribute by sharing their voice. You see, the Tower of Babel divided us and spread us apart. It led to wars, it led to confusion, it led to mistrust. But the English language is bringing us back together. And the Burj Khalifa is just one early sign of the potential we have as a species. At Doc English, our mission is to continue in that line of work. When we teach English or we learn English, we're not just improving test scores or improving job opportunities or travel opportunities. When you zoom out and think of the big picture, we're doing something much bigger. We're bringing the world together one word at a time.